PayPal, multi-billion-dollar company and one of the biggest payment services in the world, handling billions of dollars in transactions. With those kinds of feats, the platform itself must be very user-friendly, where one can do simple tasks like adding money to your own wallet. I can only send money to my cards or banks and other PayPal accounts. How am I supposed to do that if I had no money in the first place? Oh, it says here it's only possible to add money via the PayPal website and the feature isn't currently available on the PayPal app. Okay, that's not too bad. I'll just go to the website and... I still can't find the option to add... Oh, I see. So there's no other way to get money in my PayPal wallet other than getting paid with it. So if you are in this situation, what can you do? Well, just that. Get paid. But it's not what you think. You see, if you are paying or sending money to another PayPal account other than your PayPal wallet balance, you can use your linked banks or cards. So unless you have a bank account you can put your GCash funds in, we're gonna have to cancel the other option, leaving us with one. But how? While GCash may not be a bank, it does include a card feature that you can get for around $4. Sorry, but we're just giving you your options and we really don't make the rules. So with all this in mind, here's what you're going to need. 2 PayPal accounts, the account you want to add your money in, and the account you're going to send it from. You can make another account, but make sure only either one of them is the business or personal account because of PayPal rules. Making too many accounts can get you suspended, of course, so you could always ask a friend if they have a PayPal account they can lend or let you borrow. And finally, a GCash account that has its own personal GCash card link. Getting access to that is pretty simple. You go to GCash, go to the card section to order a card, fill in your information while spending the $4 card fee, wait for it to arrive, keep waiting and waiting. But once you've got the card, just link it up to the GCash account you got it from. Congrats, you're halfway there. Or further. But anyways, now that you have the requirements, here's the process. Go to the second PayPal account, link your GCash card by putting in the card details like its number, expiration date, and CVV, and once linked, you can go to the send money section and choose your main account as the recipient, aka the account that gets the money. Choose the amount you want and of course, make sure you have enough money in your GCash, including for the fees. Press next and choose your GCash card as the payment method. Choose friends and family if you want the process to be much quicker, and then just review the details. Once everything is set, just press and send, and now you go back to your main account to see if it went through properly. But that's pretty much it. That is one way you can put money in your PayPal account using GCash. Hopefully that does work for you, and if PayPal doesn't up its game, something silly will definitely happen.